You've got a problem. You've got a plug that needs fixing. But you can't fix it when it's live. And you have no idea which breaker it's on. You've been trying to follow wires through wall spaces and attic spaces. All to no avail. But perhaps you've got a spare one of these around. Perhaps someone you live with was saying, "What do you want to keep the old Wi-Fi for when we've got a new one that works perfectly well? That's just junk taking up space." Well, now there's a use for it. Plug into the socket you're trying to find. Now you get your smartphone. I'm going to be using an Android, but similar stuff should be available on iOS. First, you're going to need to make sure you're logged into that wireless that you've just set up. You may need to hit scan. There it is. That's my D-Link. Just going to connect to this. Ta-da! You should be able to find out what the IP of the Wi-Fi is just from your settings in your phone, but we'll use NetScan here. And there's the IP address of my D-Link, 192.168.0.1, fairly standard. Now I'm going to start pinging that Wi-Fi. There's the IP address already entered in. Oh, I see that it's muted, so I'll just hit the speaker thing. Now you can go back to your breaker box and start flipping switches. And when the pinging stops, wait for a second, because sometimes it misses a ping. And there you go. You've found your circuit.